So I went to one of the bigger Dollartree stores in my area to get a look at the Halloween items they have available. Originally, I was going to post this as a YouTube Shorts video, hence the vertical filming you're seeing at the moment. But I decided I wanted to also share some of the things I got, as well as my thoughts on them after showing you the overview of what was at the store. So the first thing was this sheet of Stickon Jewels. Dollartree has these year-round, but not this particular color set, at least not as far as I've seen. I'll definitely be using these on some DIYs. Next is this roll of spiderweb glitter mesh, which I've bought in previous years and used on some projects before I started doing DIY videos, so I was happy to see it return for another year. I will warn you, the last roll I used shed a lot of glitter, so maybe shake it out before using it. Then I also got these 2 spools of ribbon. Not sure what I'll use them for, but it never hurts to have more of this stuff. Another thing I'm glad came back this year was these skeleton arm tongs, which I also used on a project predating my DIY videos. And I have plans already for these, so be sure to stick around for that future project. I think it's going to be a really good one. Now this is where I start to notice an increase in quality since the Dollartree price increase. Look at this beautiful skeleton spider. For $1.25, this is fantastic. And comparing it to this spider I got from Dollartree a couple of years ago, I notice it's a bit more neat, a bit less wonky looking. Not to say that the old spider doesn't have charm and character, but it's nice to see some more high quality stuff. This one was actually shown off in one of my previous short videos, but I figured I'd talk about it a bit more here. This plastic skull was actually from the Dollartree Plus section and was $3, which is a pretty good price for a skull of this size and level of detail. Compare it to this black skull I got for $10 last year at my local at-home store, and you can see that the quality isn't quite even. Obviously the $10 skull is going to be better. The Dollartree skull has some plastic bleed-through edges, and has a screw for a jaw hinge. But for use in spooky and gothic DIYs, I'd much rather use the $3 skull because if I mess it up, I only paid $3 for it. Also, you can see it's noticeably bigger than the regular Dollartree skulls from previous years, which is great, unless you prefer to decorate with child-sized skulls, in which case I won't judge. Now this next part I'm quite excited about. I love decor that also serves a functional purpose, and these book boxes are amazing for that. They're actually the reason I decided to make this a full video because I was blown away by them. The designs are amazing. For $1.25, the quality is great. I just loved them. Obviously, they're not going to outlast more expensive versions from other stores, but they're still wonderful. To compare, I have this one that I got for about $9 at the at-home store, and you can see its walls are thicker and sturdier. It's got proper lining on the inside. It has a magnet to keep it shut, unlike the Dollartree books, though you could probably glue some little magnets inside of them if you felt inclined. And it's got some nice texture to it, but again, it was $9. These 3 combined probably cost me just under $4 with sales tax. And if you stored stuff inside them and put them up on a shelf with other books, most people probably wouldn't notice they're fake unless they actually grabbed them. But that'll do it for this video. I just wanted to show off some of these, talk about them, because I really do think that Dollartree has upped its game since increasing the prices. And I know a lot of people were very upset about that. I mean, a 25% increase in prices, that's kind of a big jump but I think that the quality that we're seeing in some of these items is a pretty good sign that the price increase is just going to make things better all around. And with that, I'll see you, my creepy comrades, in another video. Bye!